said I was going to be in the Dandenongs next time, but decided to take a bit of an impromptu trip to the Grampians, about 3.5 hours outside of Melbourne. You've joined me for dinner. Nothing too pretty, to be honest. Aldi steak, pita, avo, mustard, that's it. There's a kookaburra going off chops behind me as well. I hope it stops when I'm trying to sleep. So, plan for tomorrow, gonna get up like 4 AM, drive to Mount Abrupt, and we're going to hike up Mount Abrupt, try and catch the sunrise, get some good photos. Pretty overcast at the moment, so I hope it clears up. If it doesn't, and we're in the clouds, I'll be a bit pissed. Alright, it's 4:30 in the morning. We're in the middle of the bush. We've got our iced coffee while I'm trying to trip over. We've got 3Ks to the top, about an hour and 15 until sunrise, so I really hope we make it. We're like 2/3 of the way up now. I don't know if you can hear that, it's windy. Going through a real rough patch. I don't think that iced coffee sitting in my car all day was a very good idea. So I've got the camera out. As you can see, there's not much to see. Bloody cold out here. So we made it to the top, but as you can see, it's so foggy up here. So we'll hope when the sun comes up, it clears up, maybe. I've come down the mountain a little bit because it's just so cold and windy up there. Like, you can't see shit. It's probably like 5 degrees in the clouds. I'm in shorts, so trees. Sony A7ii. Someone sponsor me so I can buy a good lens that's not the kit lens. Alright, so we're like halfway down now because the sun was just not going to come out. And look, it's still foggy and bloody windy and bloody cold. So I'm going down, getting a hot coffee, wait for a bit and hope it clears up and I'll climb another mountain or something. So just as I turned the GoPro off, took a tumble down these steps. Wasn't so fun. Fingers a bit busted up, whacked the ankle and my coccyx as well, but we're right to get down the mountain and maybe just have a rest and chill out for a bit. Turns out I've been going the wrong way for 1.5 km down the mountain, so I have to go all the way back up the mountain to then go the correct way down. I have no clue how this just happens, but gotta deal with it. Little side note as well, I wouldn't have bloody fallen if I was on the right track either. foggy. Sun's kind of teasing us, but I'm getting so cold up here, so we're gonna head down the correct way this time. Finally got what I was looking for, and the fog cleared up just for a little bit so I could take some photos of, I think it's Signal Peak. See how they turn out. Hopefully good. I'll chuck them in the video if they turned out all right. Now we're just on the way down, probably a K and a bit left. We made it back to the car, almost 9 Ks or so. If they're going the wrong way, I think it was about 1,000 meters climbing in that, so pretty steep. Yeah, my ass is sore, my fingers are sore from that fall, but we got the goods, we got all the photos, and we've refueled, coffee, egg baked muffin, and out to bag another peak, Mount Sturgeon. Now I think it's only 3.5 Ks return. Hopefully some good views and photos from the top. Maybe it's because I'm absolutely cooking up this one. The sun's pretty hot. Or just, I don't know, it's thinking juice time, but why not? Like Victoria's, you know, highest peaks in the different areas. See how quickly I can get them done, or how many I can do. Yeah, food for thought. Not bad. Alright, we're on the way down from Mount Sturgeon, and depending how I feel at the bottom, we'll see whether we do another peak. Isn't that just epic? Whew.